What's up guys, Caleb here from Srkcycles.com, and you're looking at a 1988 Softail, 88 cubic inches, 5-speed transmission, 2-in-1 Python pipe. This is the bike from the video that everyone's asking me about. Leather bags. Videos, they are pretty scuffed up, but it's the heritage. I mean, it's like the nostalgia. You're riding an 88. Who puts new bags on an 88? Oh man, I wonder. That's cool. 2-in-1 Python, like I said, it's all in really nice shape actually. It's only got 15,000 miles on it. How's the tire tread? Tires are okay. I'd probably change them after a season. Front fender's in good shape. Now, if you're gonna buy this bike, you wanna buy this bike knowing exactly what you're getting yourself into. An old Harley-Davidson. Don't buy this bike from me saying this is my first ever bike, I've never ridden a bike before, and then ask me why there's little drips of oil in your driveway. Because it's just the nature of the beast with these things. It's in really nice shape actually. This tank is just phenomenal. Scratch right there. Look at that vintage like recliner looking like, I don't know what they call it. It's got that vintage seat. 16,000 miles, and here's the beauty of this thing. Ready for this? It literally fires up right away. You're gonna get some of this stuff, guys. You know, it's gonna be, there's gonna be some, you know, pitting there. There's gonna be some, you know, goofy little things. You know, goofy stuff here. I mean, it's a vintage Harley. It's literally a 30-year-old bike, guys. Like I said, 1988 Harley-Davidson Softail. Back tire's in really good shape. Front tire I might want to change soon. But this bike's freaking awesome. It's gonna be crazy cheap. Let me know if it's something you're interested in. It will not last long. Thanks a ton for watching, guys.